The overall goal of these techniques are to obtain accurate, manual, anthropometric measurements using inexpensive and portable equipment.
The accurate assessment of anthropometry is essential for understanding the health effects of growth and adiposity, and these measurements can be obtained using inexpensive and portable equipment.
The main advantage of these techniques is that manual anthropometric measures can be performed in most field settings at a reasonable cost.
At Project Viva, a pre-birth cohort study, we have standardized and refined our anthropometry protocol, training, and quality control procedures over the last 17 years.
Visual demonstration of this measurement is essential for indicating proper anatomical measurement sites, hand placements, and posture, because even minor variations in these can affect the accuracy of the measurements.
Demonstrating the procedures will be Marlene Ortega, Research Associate, and Nicole Witham, Operations Coordinator from the Project Viva team.
Before beginning the assessments, have the participant dress in lightweight clothing that allows easy access to the extremities and torso while maintaining modesty. For a standing height assessment, guide the participant back onto the stadiometer board until the buttocks, shoulder blades, back of head, or heels make contact with the board. Instruct the participant to stand as straight as possible without slouching or leaning, and with the feet flat and the arms hanging straight down on the sides. Confirm that the weight is evenly distributed between the left and right sides of the body. Then visually verify that the mid-axillary line is parallel to the back of the board. Now, looking at the side of the participant's head, position the head so that an imaginary line from the lowest margin of the eye orbit to the highest margin